Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss about changing your name on your Bumble profile. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Bumble application, you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Proceed forward with your social accounts or by using your phone number and you will be logged into your account and taken into the People tab right away. Now, when you tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner, you will see your profile and your username. If you tap on your profile, you will find the Edit Profile button, within which you will find various different options. However, there is no direct option to change your name. If you have not yet verified your profile, you can tap on the Verify My Profile option, but you will still not find an option to change your name, but there is only an option to add your photo. So if you wish to change your name, then you will need to contact the support team. Tap on the gear icon from your profile page at the top right corner and then scroll all the way down and tap on Contact and FAQ. From here, tap on Contact Us and then tap on Report a Technical Issue, and now you can simply type in your message and let them know that your profile name is incorrect and you would like to have it changed. Also make sure to include what you would like to set your profile name into and then tap on the Send button. Once you tap on the Send button, this will send your request to the support team who will respond to your request in a few days, and you will be allowed to change your username once again. And there you have it. That is how you can go around and change your username on Bumble. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.